Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup for patients, updated. Start by washing, quartering, and roasting ripe tomatoes with garlic and olive oil until caramelized. Transfer roasted tomatoes to a blender with a small amount of low-sodium broth and pulse until smooth. Keep the texture velvety for easy swallowing and modest fiber. Use mild seasoning and taste, often to adjust salt and acidity for patient preferences and dietary needs. Blend the soup with low-sodium vegetable or chicken broth to reach a gentle consistency that patients can tolerate. Strain the puree through a fine sieve for an ultra-smooth texture when swallowing is a concern. Add a splash of cream or fortified milk for calories and calcium if needed, and warm gently, checking the temperature to avoid burns. Label and store portions safely for easy reheating and service. If this video is helping you care for someone, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes and nutrition guides easy while you cook, and it fits nicely on a counter next to a cutting board. Check the description for the product link and other deals to see options that suit your kitchen. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Keep flavors familiar and comforting for patients, using fresh basil or a small spoonful of pesto for a mild herbal lift. Blend in roasted red peppers or cooked carrots to subtly increase vitamin content and natural sweetness without heavy spices. If acidity is a concern, balance with a touch of butter or cream or a half teaspoon of sugar for pediatric palates. Serve warm with easy-to-hold containers and clear feeding instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.